Be peaceful with people and your life shall be safe. Who works rightly shall gain. Blessedness shall be for him who made his heart feel the faith. He who knew himself correctly knew his God. Nobility is humility and generosity. He who had been good to his neighbors, his servants shall be abundant. Over truth and sincerity, faith shall be built. Charity is a successful cure. He who keeps away from people, his faith shall be mended. The reason for fixing the religion is piety. He who gains the kindness, his recklessness shall be put down. Blessedness for him who kept the way of obedience to his God. He who got satisfied with destiny shall live blessed. Two things, their rewards cannot be weighed, forgiveness and justice. Be kind, for it is a manner that is accepted. He who left his matters to Allah shall succeed. Be peaceful with people and you shall be in peace, and work for the afterlife and you shall win. He who is guided by the guidance of Allah shall be guided by Allah. The law of the generous is to keep their promises. He whose interior was good, his apparent part shall be good. He who loaned Allah, did well for the sake of Allah, shall be rewarded by him. Blessedness for him, whose tongue was busy with the mention of Allah. He who asks Allah, he shall give him what he asks. The reason behind respect, kindness. He who keeps himself away from begging shall be exalted. You should be addicted to work, in time of activity or laziness. Peaceful living lies in taking care of people. He who keeps his promises shall be a loyal one. Two things are part of religion, faith, truth and belief. He who owns his own lusts shall be pious. The reason behind authority is generosity. He who owns his own anger shall be kind. Blessedness for him who raced over his fate and did his work with sincerity. Blessedness for him. He who owned his mind is a wise man. The reason behind the goodness of the self is piety. He who asks when he is young, shall answer when he is old. Be sincere, for it is the best of the faith. He who kept away from people, protected his faith. He who has good manners shall have a wide fortune. Blessedness for him who fears Allah and remains safe.